Ready? Here we go.
One go! What is up, you beautiful people, and welcome back to EVwithRafiq. As you have seen in our past videos, that Ford, Nissan, and many other companies that have come up with electric vehicles, but Chevrolet doesn't leave behind, and Chevrolet had come up with these many vehicles. 1, 2, and 3, 4, I guess. Chevrolet has come up with its own electric vehicles, cars, pickup trucks, and they are very cool. Let's check it out. Alright, the Chevrolet's first ever electric silverado. Here it is. That's a truck and it's all electric. Let me show you the specifications over here. You can check it out. Alright, it's available from fall 2023, probably the next year. You can check it out, the specifications of the vehicle. Alright, so in the middle there's a battery. Behind and front, I guess there are 2 motors. And that's a charging station for it. Made easy. Glass roof. And here we have the truck. Next up, Chevrolet has bought Bolt EV. Oh yeah, you can see it over here. This small bad boy is looking crazy. Just check out. That's a Ford Bolt EV. You can see we have more.
This car is made out of.
Yep.
First time in a Chevy Bolt?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Chevy Bolt EV.
EV. It's an EUV.
EUV.
Yeah. So,
3.
Ready? Here we go.
1 go! Oh shit! It's amazing. Oh, wow! Wow! Okay, it has power.
It's 200 horsepower, believe it or not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it moves.
It glides.
Yeah. Driving.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's say you're parking somewhere. You can see that. This will give you a
Front camera.
front and back.
Wow.
Yeah. This one also has Super Cruise, where they see autonomous. This is a camera that looks at your retina.
Okay.
And if you have free, you can. This car will drive by itself on the freeway.
Seriously?
Yeah, yeah.
It's like autopilot.
Yeah. So
Wow.
basically, it's called Super Cruise. This is the little brother, which is
Okay.
basically the same car, just a little smaller, same engine.
Okay.
And what's really nice about this one is the way they put it together. They have a lot of nice upgrades, like heated seats and cool seats,
Wow.
heated steering wheel.
That's good. Heating steering
They
wheels
put
too?
the Bose system. Yep. Put a bass system.
Oh.
We got Bose in here.
Yeah.
So, yeah. You know, Chevrolet doesn't have maybe that futuristic look, but you have a really nice car. You know, with nice sounds and you know.
Proper feel.
Yeah.
Nice. We have the charging, and this is the interior. A good small dashboard. These are the seating. So here we have the specifications of the Bolt EV Premier. Wow. It's good, it's good. You can check it out. $43,000. Not bad. This color looks so good. Check out the seats. So you just saw the Chevrolet EV vehicles. Chevrolet is coming up with a pretty good EV lineup. Wow. Now, for this video, this is it. I'm gonna show you to the next company, next brand, which is gonna be. Find out in the next video. See you.